Good morning, Mihira. Just a quick handover for Mrs. Eleanor Vance in bed 4. She presented yesterday with what initially seemed like a straightforward case of contact dermatitis on her hands, quite inflamed with some weeping. However, overnight, she developed a rather extensive, pruritic rash spreading across her trunk and upper limbs. She mentioned using a new brand of hand sanitizer just prior to the initial flare-up, but also recalled a similar, though less severe, episode a few months ago after using a different moisturizer. She denies any new food intake or recent travel. Her temperature is stable, and her vitals are within normal limits. We've applied some emollient and a mild topical corticosteroid cream to the affected areas for now. Keep a close eye on the extent and severity of the rash, and particularly note any signs of systemic involvement, like breathlessness or facial swelling, although that seems unlikely at this stage.
Right, Mrs. Vance in bed 4. So, the initial hand issue might be separate from this more widespread rash then? It sounds like we need to be alert to potential allergic reactions rather than just a localized irritant.
Precisely. The temporal relationship with the hand sanitizer is suggestive, but the subsequent widespread eruption and the previous similar incident point towards a possible underlying sensitivity to a common excipient in skincare products. Mihira, for now, continue with the current topical treatment and ensure she's comfortable. Let me know immediately if there are any significant changes or if the itching becomes unmanageable despite the emollient. Mihira, I completely understand how worried you must be feeling right now, and it's okay to take a deep breath. The most important thing is to keep yourself safe and comfortable as you recover. Please make sure you wash your hands often with soap and warm water, especially before eating or preparing anything, and try to keep your surroundings clean. Watch carefully for signs that your body is losing too much water, like feeling very dizzy, having a dry mouth, or not needing to use the bathroom as much as usual. And if you notice any of these or feel much worse, please reach out to a doctor right away. When it comes to eating out, you don't have to avoid it completely, but you can be gentle with yourself by choosing places that look clean and have good hygiene ratings. Try to stay away from foods that are raw or sitting out for a long time, like salads, uncooked seafood, or buffet items that don't look fresh. Trust your eyes and nose. If something feels off about the food's quality or smell, it's okay to skip it. You deserve to feel better, and small, careful steps will help you get there.